ดวงจันทร์เอ๋ยแรงพลือตรอจองวงจันทร์โพพองอาบอ่องบ่มพลือโลกา
Understand. I know these top two, their prophecy is in women empowerment and how much they care about empowering other women. And I hope with the winning of these two, women in Cambodia can be more empowered.
Yes.
They understand that they have so much potential and they can compete with the international stage.